Let's dive right in. Affiliate marketing is absolutely exploding right now. I mean, it's a $21 billion industry. More and more people are making a steady income online. And the wild part is, they're doing it without ever creating their own products or having to answer customer emails.
It's kind of amazing when you think about it. Someone could be earning commissions every single day just by recommending things they love. They're not scrambling to write endless content or spend a fortune on ads. They're just setting up affiliate sites, tapping into this gigantic ecosystem, and letting the income roll in while they sleep.
And every time you see those stories of someone making easy money online, chances are they're using exactly this model. But there's a hidden catch not everyone talks about. Building an affiliate site that actually brings in money? That's not as easy as it looks.
Definitely. Behind those slick income screenshots, there's usually months of work. You need killer content, solid SEO, eye-catching graphics, hosting, videos, and then you have to find a way to get actual people to visit your site. Most folks start out excited and end up totally overwhelmed.
That actually brings me to the thing that's flipping this whole process on its head. Affiliate Engine AI. Imagine logging in, typing your niche like weight loss, crypto, travel, and just watching as an entire content-rich Google-friendly affiliate site appears in under a minute.
It sounds like science fiction, but this is real. The AI doesn't just build the site, it auto-generates trending blog posts, detailed product reviews, videos, even images, everything loaded with your affiliate links. And it's all updated daily, so you never have to touch a thing.
No more messing around with web design or writing endless articles. Plus, it's got built-in SEO tricks, so your site shows up in Google searches, and it even drives traffic from social media automatically. It's kind of wild how hands-off it actually is.
And the cherry on top? You can monetize with any big affiliate program, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, you name it. There are even done-for-you templates and themes, all hosted for you, and you don't need a shred of tech knowledge to get started.
Funny you say that. What really caught my attention is how people are using Affiliate Engine AI to not just earn commissions, but actually flip these sites for quick profits. Some folks are selling ready-made affiliate sites for nearly $1,000 a pop.
Yeah, it completely changes the game. You can run your own sites for passive income or set them up for clients who want an instant online business. It's a genuine set-and-forget system. AI does the heavy lifting, and you just watch the results roll in.
And there's no cap on how many sites you can build or how much you can earn. I mean, unlimited sites, all self-updating, all driving traffic and capturing leads without any monthly fees? It almost sounds too good to be true.
What's even better is that there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test the whole thing out, see if it clicks for you, and there's zero risk. That makes it easier for people who are still on the fence about diving into affiliate marketing.
After hearing all that, I can see why there's a bit of a rush. Affiliate Engine AI is only on this low launch price for a limited time. Once the deal ends, it goes monthly and gets way more expensive.
That urgency feels real. If you've ever wanted a hands-free online business, this is one of those moments you probably shouldn't let slip by. Affiliate marketing has already helped thousands of everyday people become financially free, and